Hello everybody, how's it going? Funko J here and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm very happy to announce that I have finally started my Hello Kitty Funko collection. So let's start with a classic. Stay tuned. Hello everybody! In case you guys didn't know, I'm doing a 2K subscriber giveaway and it's really simple to enter. All you need to do is hit my subscribe button, hit the little bell next to it, and then you need to go to my giveaway video and comment I subscribed. And that's it. So everyone, growing up, I loved Hello Kitty. I absolutely adored her. I thought she was the cutest thing on earth. But I never really bought myself anything Hello Kitty related, and no one ever really bought me anything. So it was really nice for me to finally get something that is Hello Kitty, however many years later. So here she is. She is the cutest little thing ever. So there are so many Hello Kitty things. It's just unbelievable. Like there are books, there are pencils, there are coloring sheets, there are hats, there are t-shirts. The list goes on and on and on. But I'm starting with this little cutie. So I had to get the classic one because I'm a very classic person. I absolutely loved her. She was so, when I saw her on the shelf, I instantly went, yeah, you're mine. You're definitely mine. So here in this Hello Kitty set, you can obviously get the classic Hello Kitty here and probably the best Hello Kitty. You can get a Hello Kitty and she's wearing a hamburger. It's at the Kawaii Burger Shop and that is the so cute little hamburger. You can get a sweet treat Hello Kitty there, and then you can also get an 8-bit Hello Kitty, which is really cool. So her paint job is really cool, and considering where she came from, the box is really good as well. I know from where she came from, some of the boxes are really beaten up and trashed, so I was very lucky to get her this way. So now guys, let's get her out of the box so you guys can get a closer look. And here is the cute little classic Hello Kitty out of her box. So you can definitely see with this pop, she's a very basic build and a very basic paint job. But I think with the basic pops, especially ones like this that are like cartoons and that were cartoons, they seem to be cuter, I reckon, than the ones that are in more detail. I think simply because they're basic. And Little Miss here, she's the most cutest little thing ever. And I don't know what it is, it just might be her build, but she feels a little bit smaller than usual pops, that just might be me. But anyway, I love her little red bow there, it's so cute, and the whiskers just top it all off for me. She's absolutely beautiful, and her little tail. So now guys, we'll get her back in her box. So Little Miss Hello Kitty here, she's number 28 in her set, and I'm definitely going to try and get the whole Hello Kitty set, like when it comes to pops. I think I'm going to get number 29 next, which is Little Miss Hello Kitty here in the hamburger shop outfit, because I think that's both super cute and really funny. So I think, yeah, definitely. And then Sweet Treat, they're probably the 8-bit. So guys, this leads me to the end of the video. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching. Now, I'd like to hear your opinion in the comment section below on which Hello Kitty outfit is your favourite. Me, personally, I love the classic one because, as I've said before, I'm a very classic person. Original is best, by far. So guys, leave your answers in the comment section below because I'd love to hear about it. Also guys, before you leave, please don't forget to smash my subscribe button, which is right there. All of your support is so greatly appreciated. And some of my other videos are right there if you'd like to go watch them. Please make sure you do. And this is Funko J and the beautiful classic Hello Kitty out. See you guys.